Hello guys, welcome back to the Domain Racer, and we had completed almost all parts. And now it is time to create a home page, about us page or contact us page, because without this your LMS system cannot be complete. And for that we are using a plugin called as Elementor, and it's a free. But if you wanted to go with a premium one, that time we will strongly recommend you to go with Divi themes, because this is the one of the best innovation in the market. So that allows you to customize, animate and create 21st century websites. We have to create a very first two pages. The first name is homepage and second one is about us page. Let's go into the pages section and click on all pages. And here we can able to see the all pages already exist, but we had already some pages are there, but we wanted to create a new one. For that you can click on this option. Let me give a title. Here it is a title: LMS World, the best platform to learn new. And then we can able to go with Elementor. And here the best part is we have a lot of features, but we are using a free version, so most of features are not enabled, but we can still able to copy the templates available in the Elementor. For that we have to click on this option, and the pages here you will get it. In this case I will choose this page because it looks relevant to the LMS system, so I will click on this. You can able to see a preview here, and then I will click on insert. While inserting, we need to connect account with the WordPress. So for that, you have to click on Get Started. Here you need to log in with the help of your email ID and click on Connect. You can see here, our template has been embedded successfully. And you can able to easily do a customization with the template. Now, I will not do a lot of customizations in this because it is a demo version, so you can able to do as per your LMS system requirement. So let's say if I am creating a training website for the gym, so I will here add some text in such a way that so it is giving you an appearance that we are giving a training to a gym related, so user can able to connect better. So in this case we can consider this as a home page, and I will click on publish. Okay, the page has been saved successfully. If you wanted to learn more about Elementor, you can able to go to the YouTube, and there are a lot of video tutorials available that helps you to understand how you can able to do a more customization with Elementor. Now our first page has been created, that is home page, but we haven't yet configured with home page. So because of that, before connecting our this page with the home page, we will complete our contact us page. Here I will close this tab because it's already saved, and create a new page in the new tab. And here I will create a page called as about us, and click on edit with Elementor. We'll do the same process as we had did with a home page. I will add here about. These are the pro versions, but we need to look for a free version. Maybe this one looks good, so I will directly insert it. Now you can able to do a customization, change the details, contact us, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. There are a lot of things will be there. You can go and do a customization. For demonstration, I will directly click on publish. So you can able to do a customization based on your project. So here the page is live now, so we can able to see from here. Look at this, about us page has been live now. So similarly we had completed our home page and about us page, but we have to add into the menu section. Before that we have to set as a home page as a home page. So how to do that? We have to go to the dashboard. Now scroll down to the bottom and then look for the settings and click on readings. Now we will go to the pages section. So in this case, this is a page that we have wanted to make it as home page. For that we have to go to the settings and reading settings. Here you have to click on a static page, and in that, and here you will find a lot of lists. That list is nothing but these all pages, and I will pick this one as a home page, and you do not have to do anything, and here you just need to click on save changes. So that's it, our work of setting the home page is completed. Okay, if you wanted to see here, you just have to click on this domainresult.review or home. You can able to see it is the landing page. Here one thing you might have missed is that our title is still not changed. For that we have to go to the settings and click on general settings, and here we can able to change the title of the website. So tagline, we do not need it. Just scroll down and click on save changes, and we'll see by refreshing it. You can see the title has been changed now. The home page is completed. Now only one thing is remaining, add about us page here. So for that we can able to go to the appearance and click on menus, the same process that we had completed in the menu sections. And here it is the page, where it is the page. So we have to go to the view all and look for the about us page. Here it is, about us page, and click on add to menu. So it should be for everyone because it's about us page. Okay, about us page has been added. So I will keep it after all courses, and it should be for everyone, and click on save menu. We'll go back to this and try to refresh this. You can see now we had completed our entire website configuration, setups and everything. Okay, one last request, please watch the entire video series one more time to get more understanding about this all factors, to avoid any mistakes, or if you had missed anything you can able to reconfigure it and create your very awesome LMS system.